It's good to know that your tumble dryer makes laundry days easier, but the lint filter does need regular cleaning to keep it running efficiently. It's quick and easy to do though. Most tumble dryers have a primary filter just inside the door. Some heat pumps or condenser dryers may also have a secondary filter at the bottom front corner, so you'll have to check it. With the appliance switched off and cooled down, gently lift out the filter. If it feels stuck, check for any clothing or lint caught around it to avoid forcing it out. Use your hand to remove the collected fluff. For stubborn debris, you can use a vacuum cleaner on a low setting or run the filter under a tap. Hold it with the lint side facing down so the water pushes the fibres out from the clean side. Make sure the filter is completely dried before replacing it. Once it's clean and dry though, slot it back into its housing. To maintain your appliance, clean the main lint filter after every cycle. If your model has a secondary filter, clean it once a month or more often if you dry pet bedding or heavily soiled clothes.